How to fix Instagram not login in less than 1 minute. So if you want to fix the login problem on your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So actually there is 3 ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the apps like this, go to the apps, now open the Instagram app informations page, and then click on the storage, click on clear data to clear all the data that you have on your phone like this, click on delete and it will be deleted. Go back, click on the force stop. Now that's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the settings on your phone, open the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's the second way. The third way and the last one is open the Play Store or the App Store and update your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe.